These are the 5 reasons listings fail and homes don't sell. Reason number 1, overpricing. Reason number 2, property condition. Reason number 3, poor marketing. Reason number 4, restricted showings. Reason number 5, location limitations. All homes fail to sell because of one of the reasons mentioned, not the house itself. Hi, my name is Roger Loesel with Coldwell Banker Realty. I am the real estate consultant for Central Ohio Real Estate Investment LLC. We are a local professional home buying company. My job is to assess your needs, wants, and capabilities. Evaluate the market to see why the property didn't sell, then come up with a solution to help you achieve those needs and wants based on the market and your capabilities. If you want more information or a private one-on-one consultation, please visit the link in this post.